Bella, what we're looking at here are some holes in the ductwork of a forced air furnace or an air handler. HVAC technicians will come out with some tools to assess the quality of the performance of these units. And one of those is a probe that actually goes and punctures through the ductwork to measure the temperature, whether it's a temperature drop for cooling or the level of heat for the furnace, and let you know if it's operating properly. It can also check how strongly it's pushing, if there's any carbon monoxide development in there, and other things. On occasion, they will put a piece of tin or tape over those holes, and sometimes they leave them. But rely on your HVAC technician to determine whether or not they should be taped over or not. As a home inspector, I'll call out that the holes are there, but it's really not a safety concern.